That's also that I wanted to share with you. I was with the national team a couple of weeks ago, and I was telling them how to improve their montage, right? So we all know what the montage is in the in the video analysis, right? So if I want to actually see what my number 21 wants to do in terms of serve, I got that, and I got all the stuff for my number 21, right? I'll just increase the speed. And we all know that we can tag those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can actually remove the play, so we can just decide we want to export. If you look into the settings, you'll realize a couple of things that would actually be here. You realize that they talk about an R and they talk about 1 to 6. So my recommendation, if you don't actually know, is once you actually want to do that, put your fingers, I'm sorry, I'm not going to show your finger, put your forefinger to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, put your thumb to the R, right? And you can tag quickly at least the first four, 1, 2, 3, 4, by just tapping. So if I select the first one and I tap number 1, I get now it's tagged as 1, right? So when I export, right, I can actually export putting as my flag, and I can actually have a flag order, and I can just export my montage differently. And I think I can export in different videos or in one the way I want, right? The other thing that is interesting is if you are, and if I don't want the second one, I can click R, so you won't see it on my keyboard. But if I click with my thumb R, suddenly it's actually removed, so I don't export that anymore. So it won't be at all exported, right? So I can either, and with my right hand, I can go to the arrow down and just export just what is selected or remove what I want. But the idea is put your finger 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb on R, you can actually move to 5 and 6, and the right hand is on the arrow up and down, so you can go to the rally. So when I run this and I don't want this one, I go R, and then I go R, and then I go 4, and then I go 3, and then I go 4, and then 3, and then 4, depending on what I want to do. So when I export, I just export what I need to do, and I don't export the one that I've been there. That's it. That's all the trick. See ya.